You need to set up that grade book, don't you? I got you. All right, so here I am. I'm in my Schoology page right here for audio 3. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to grade setup. Okay, once I get down there, I'm going to go right here to add. This is going to add category. So we're going to add one. I'm going to name this one formative. Make sure, guys, listen, make sure that your spelling is correct. If it's off by one letter, this is going to be trouble. All right. So formative. We want to keep this at total points and drop lowest. This is for everything we do here. All right. So here's one. We have to do a homework. Make sure you spell everything correctly. And I'm speaking to myself because I'm a terrible speller. Homework. And then we're going to add one more, and it's going to be summative. I'll give you a second to do that. Pause the video if you have to. Make sure you have it like this. It doesn't have to be in the same order, but formative, homework, summative. Once you do that, you're going to go right here to weight categories. And then your formative needs to be 0. Your homework needs to be 10. And summative needs to be 90. 90. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to come down to this portion here. And you're going to click on this box, course override column. And then these two boxes at the bottom with the visibility settings, hide overall grade, and high grade grading period. Make sure that your page looks like this before you do anything else. All right, make sure it looks like this. And then you're going to hit save changes. Now let's talk about a cheat code that a lot of people don't talk about. These guys, nobody talks about this, right? So I'm going to tell you about this little cheat code right here. You're going to go to copy settings. Listen carefully. You can do one of these because you really got to do these for each class. But if you do copy settings, you can do multiple classes, right? So look, see how all my classes right here? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to check on this box, which is my audio 1 class. And then I'm going to hit copy. All right. So now, just before I go over that, I'm going to hit save changes because I just do that. I'm going to go to courses. I'm going to go to my audio 1 class. And then I'm going to go to gradebook or grade setup. Now, look, everything I just did is here except for these boxes. So just click this box, click this box, click this box, hit save changes. And now that same thing is on my audio 1. So I just did 2 classes and half the time. It cuts the time in half than having to go to each class and do that. So Merry Christmas on that. All right. Now the next thing, in order to sync your grade book from Schoology to I was about to say classroom, from Schoology to campus, you have to go here. All right. So you're going to go down here to where it says Infinite Campus. You must do this for each class. Each class you must do this. OK. Don't worry about this. You're not going to have all of this. It's just that my classes are already have all my assignments and everything for the first 9 weeks because I've been doing this for a while. Go to configuration. Let me start that over because I feel like I was distracted with my flex. Go to Infinite Campus, right? Once you click on that, it's going to bring this page up. Go to configuration, which is going to be right here, configuration. And when you click on that, you're going to see this right here. What you're going to do is see where it says formative. You want to click formative. Where it says summative, you want to put this right here, summative. And where it says homework, you want to put this at homework. Once you've done that, double check your spelling. Listen, double check your spelling before you move on, because trust me, this will be a problem. And then you hit save configuration. Now you see how that looks a little faded? It don't really look like it's, just click the button, save configuration. Watch. It's not going to feel like it's doing anything or look like that, but then boom, your category configurations have been saved. Double check your spelling again, and then cool. And then you have to do this for each class. So even if you copy your settings over, you still got to check those 3 boxes, and you still got to go into Infinite Campus in order to do that. All right. So anyway, go do that. And I'm kind of going to stop the tutorials here for now. And in a couple days, I'm going to upload a few more. All right. But anyway, this should help you get started. Good luck.